Today, we're diving into the future of smartphones with the latest buzz on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Glowing star. While the Galaxy S25 lineup is still fresh, rumors and leaks about the S26 Ultra are already making waves. Let's explore what makes this flagship truly stand out. The excitement of future gadgets glow with meridians. Gadgets from the future and the rumors that surround them should fill us with excitement and hope for a brighter, more advanced tomorrow. But here on Earth, it often feels like a repetitive cycle, especially with the Galaxy S26 Ultra on the horizon. The Galaxy S26 Ultra, evolution or revolution? Counterclockwise arrows button. Just weeks after the Galaxy S25 lineup was unveiled, we're already looking ahead to the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Samsung's bag of tricks seems bottomless, with smartphones, AI, tablets, earbuds, smartwatches, and more. But will the S26 Ultra be a true game-changer or just another incremental upgrade? What we know so far. Calendar. So far, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be more of an evolutionary upgrade rather than a revolutionary one. Here are some key points. 12-megapixel front camera with flash. The S26 Ultra is expected to feature a 12-megapixel front camera in a punch-hole cutout, dismissing earlier rumors of an under-display camera. Storage configurations. Floppy disk. Storage options will likely remain the same, offering 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. Fast charging. High voltage. Fast charging speeds are expected to stay at 45 W or possibly 50 W, similar to its predecessor. S Pen pencil. The S Pen will continue to lack Bluetooth, a change introduced with the S25 Ultra due to minimal usage of Air actions. Bezel size. Mobile phone. Samsung has reportedly managed to reduce the bezel size, but the difference is so subtle that it's barely noticeable. The AI craze. Robot face. AI is being integrated into every aspect of our lives, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra will be no exception. While some argue that hardware advancements have plateaued, it's the software and AI-driven experiences that are set to take center stage. Is AI alone enough? Brain. AI can enhance our smartphone experience, but is it enough to justify upgrading to the latest model every year? A recent survey shows that most iPhone and Galaxy users see little to no value in their phone's AI features. Privacy concerns and outdated software are just some of the reasons people are hesitant to fully embrace AI. The S26 Ultra versus the S24 Ultra crossword. If the Galaxy S26 Ultra turns out to be a minor upgrade, many might find the Galaxy S24 Ultra to be a more appealing option. With its top-shelf camera setup, amazing display, and solid battery life, the S24 Ultra offers excellent performance and great value for money. Samsung's promise of 7 years of support makes it a smart financial move. While it's too early to make final judgments, the Galaxy S26 Ultra has the potential to surprise us with some jaw-dropping hardware specs. True innovation doesn't come every year, but 2026 might just be the year we see something truly revolutionary.